This is a vintage Mortensen Math kit that I found on eBay. It is no longer available, unfortunately, and I thought I would do an unboxing video. I'm excited. I probably have everything that's in this box, but this was the first time I had seen the actual vintage kit in the plastic that it was originally packed in. In other words, it's never been opened, and so I decided to buy it, and it was a really good price. So I'm going to open it up. And here it is here. This is just a wonderful little kit. I'm probably going to take a nice picture of that. I'm just debating whether to open it or not. All right, so here it is here. You can see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. And you can see what it has in here. I'll just move that like that. Yes. Very playful. All right, so we have that. And then it comes with the counting books. Counting book 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are great little books. These are in fantastic shape. I absolutely love these books. You can see counting book 1. We start off with just the units. Counting book 2, you're doing tens. Counting book 3, you're doing hundreds. Counting book 4, you're doing hundreds, tens, and units. And then addition, facts, mastery, books 1, 2, and 3 are in here. I love these little books as well. I love the little visuals. Just so simple. Book 2. Just a bit more the same with visuals. Now these counting books are available on our website. You can still purchase the counting books. There's actually 10 counting books that you can purchase. So let me just go back with these. So you can purchase the counting books 1 to 10 from our website. They will look a bit different than these. These are the old style. The new style are more like a photocopied. They're basically photocopies of these. I'm not sure if there's the newer graphics in them as far as adding a little color and things like that. But regardless, black and white or color or combination, just the content in these is fantastic. So I'm just going to say that you're probably going to get photocopies of what you see in these books. And again, we have the addition, facts, masteries 1 to 10 available as well. Again, they'll be probably the photocopied ones, and where they might be mixed. They might have a bit of these old ones, these old booklet types, plus the photocopies of them. All right, so this is the contents. Having a party video, triangle trays, 100 squares, 10 bars, unit cubes, problem card with answers on back. 2 additional 2 bars, 1 additional 3, 1 additional 4, smiley face counting 1 to 4, addition, facts, mastery 1 to 3, place value cards, numeral ID cards, having a party, coloring book, and then a note to parents on how it works. And then these would be the problem cards, which I'm going to assume there's the answers on the back. And again, you can see they would need to be cut. The place value cards, so the units, green for units place value, and they can be cut as well. And then blue for tens place value, and again they can be cut. And red for hundreds place value. And then they've got the extras. Oh, here's the ones that normally came in the numeral ID kits. So there's your one, and you can see it's green. So you would match the green up to the green, and then the orange up to the orange, and then you can flip it over to see. Oh, that's a 2. There's the symbol for 2. And that's a 1, and there's the symbol for 1, right? So 1, 1, 2, and then you could add in the 3 if you wanted. I think I can fit the 3 in there. So there's the pink card. And you find the pink block. There it is there. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what 3 looks like. Okay, so really quite cool. These are, this is in mint condition, this kit. Like, even though I don't know how old this is, but it's still in mint condition. So it's got a few blocks like that. It has, I'm not sure what that is. So tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, tens. A couple of hundreds. Having a party kit. Just put this here so the box doesn't tip. So having a party, tape 1 in the Math is Child's Play series. So this says 1996. So this kit would be 2006, 25, 26 years old, I think. I've done the math right. Don't do math, and I can't always. Sometimes the simplest things elude me, but yeah, I think 1996, 2006, 2016, and then we got 6 of 26 years. Yeah, just double checking my thoughts. There's the 2 triangle kits, so you get more of the. Here, let me put this back here. Now, lucky for me, I have a VHS tape recorder, or a VHS. I forget what they're called. The VA, where you can play the VHS videos. Oh, what is it called? I guess it's a VHS deck. I'm not really sure. I can't remember what they're called. It's been so long. But I do have an old one. It's not in the greatest shape, but it works, so I can always watch these old videos. These are the triangle kits, and there's 2 of them. And there's a lot of math that you can do just with these little triangle kits. Just so much. Anyways, you can see the staircases. There's a staircase going, from 10 down to 1, and 1 up to 10, except it's, it's kind of flipped. Anyways, you push them up that way, but you can see the staircases, right? That's really important. That has to do with linear equations and things like that. You can use that in patterns and just so much. Anyway, so this is really wonderful to see a brand new kit like this. Let's put that there. There. See if I can fit it back in together. Let's turn that back over. And that is, okay, it's not going to fit right back in. I'll have to adjust it a little. But that's the kit. So yeah, I'm excited. And yes, Kirk, I do have a problem. I am addicted to base 10 blocks. And I did buy another kit. And this is it. But I'm actually glad I did. So yeah, that is the little kit. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Have a look for them online. Maybe you'll get lucky like I just did and you'll find a full kit. and it's a wonderful little tool. I wish that they were still available through our website, but they're not. There's quite a few things that are going to be discontinued, so get them while you can, because once they're discontinued, they are hard to find. It's just unfortunate, but it's just the time, the date, the way things are going. Things change. Back in the day, Mortensen Math had just such a full collection of things, and they still do have a really wonderful collection, but not everything is as easily manufactured anymore. Prices of things to make them nowadays, and with COVID and just everything going on in the world, things are a little bit harder to produce. There's shortages on everything. So anyways, yeah, so look for what you can on eBay. If you have things tucked away in your closet that you're not using, let me know. I might be interested in buying them, or maybe there's other people that are wanting to do Mortensen Math that would be interested in buying them from you. So if you have things tucked away, go find them, pull them out, send me pictures. All right, have a really wonderful day. Thanks for hanging out with me while I unbox this.